Hello and welcome to another short video by Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza, this time on the small seaside community of Rockport, Texas. I was there the summer of 2017. The weather actually cooperated. Temperatures were in the mid-80s to low 90s, shockingly cool for summer in South Texas. There was also a very nice cool ocean breeze. Here's a shot of one of the many docks in the area. My wife and I wandered about downtown, or what's called South Austin Street. Not much going on here. Most of the major stores have moved to the highways and to streets like Rath Street, Market Street, etc. There were your usual trashy chic shops, antique stores, galleries, coffee shops, and various tourist traps. This town is small, and getting around is quite easy. What was available was clean and well stocked. Yes, some of the people in this community have some money, and there's some multi-million-dollar homes. Rockport is great for fishing and birding, especially birding during the winter. You can see whooping cranes to egrets to spoonbills to herons. They all love this community, and the community loves them. They take care of them. Rockport is about 30 minutes from Corpus Christi, 2.5 hours from San Antonio, 3 hours from Houston. So if you need to relax from the big city grind, come on down to Rockport. This is the Seashell Shop, a nice blue building. There are several blue buildings I saw in this community, all very cute. Coffee was not an issue. I give Rockport's daily grind a solid A. The coffee was fabulous. Of course, you can also go to McDonald's. There are plenty of other food and drink options in this community. Here's my wife ordering some brew, and because I was a good boy, she also bought me a cookie. It was half dipped in chocolate, very sweet, very nice. Here's an art gallery next door specializing in photography, very glossy, very beautiful little landscapes and photographs of animals in the Rockport community. There are also plenty of flowers to see downtown. And this poor burro has seen better days. It's right here has been taken off. I stayed at the Surfside Inn Suites. I'll produce a video soon on the amenities. To be succinct, the hotel was clean, convenient, and the staff was polite and very professional. My wife, of course, loved the pool. As part of my trip, we stopped off at Goose Island State Park to check out their camping options, and Rockport Beach Park. Both offered good fishing. I enjoyed fishing from the various piers and the bay flats. Make sure to cover yourself from head to toe or you'll be in sunburn hell. Definitely don't go there. Rockport Beach Park doesn't offer overnight camping. They did have a very nice swimming lagoon and fishing pier. They also offer dozens of covered picnic sites with grills, and they were sprinkled all around the park. Just across the way here you can see million-dollar homes with private piers. Very nice, if you can afford it. Just a few blocks from my hotel was a grove of trees. I didn't notice at first, but my wife pointed out the large water birds that were nesting on the top of the oaks. The city bought this land to protect the bird nesting area. The city of Rockport is very environmentally conscious, and they do protect their birds. Definitely go there during the winter and do some birding any time of the year to go fishing. This is my very short video on Rockport, Texas. My name is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. I'm a photographer from Fort Worth, Texas by way of San Jose, California. Hope you like this video. If you have the time or the inclination, go to my website. It's jmmgarza.com. And of course, you must do this. Please like, subscribe, and share. And leave comments too. I will respond for sure. If you have time, check the description of this video and you'll find links to my Patreon page. There you can support my photography. I would like to thank you. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.